morning. It's not that early. It's only like 8:30, but it might be a rainy day today, which is kind of a bummer. Sometimes in Moab, you know, you get like the off and on showers, but it looks like it's supposed to be an actual rainy day today. Look at these clouds. Oh, it's my mom, if you can hear her, hanging with the old fogies. She said it, not me. That is my parents' little dragon up there, a little kite. It's pretty neat. Oh, yoo-hoo! One time we were camping with my parents and they had that little dragon kite on their trailer, and we were in a tent, and it was very windy that night, and the whole night all we did is listen to it flap for hours. And so we both kind of have like trauma associated with that. So I wish I could love it, but
I just downloaded some trail maps from wire service, so that way we can.
Oh, do we know what we're gonna try and do today?
They just said a bunch, so I just downloaded them all.
Oh, cool. We're just gonna try maybe with the rain to try and stay out of the mud, maybe? Is that what they're looking for?
Yeah, they care about that a lot.
Those old fogies. That's what my mom called them, so I'm going with it. Want to show them loading? Hey viewers, look at our phone loading. Well, I'll show you some lovely views, even in the...
I'm checking on the cats. Cat cam? No cats are on it though.
Pretty nice camping spot. Not a whole lot of other people around. I mean, you can see a couple trailers in the distance,
yeah,
but...
this is a pretty good one. And it's got like this little dugout area. Big vlog update. Morning 1, day 2. I want everyone to know that we use GeoTracker while we're out here on the trails. It's an app on my phone. We have Android phones. I don't know if it's on iPhone. I'm sorry, I haven't used one since iPhone 6.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
But anyway, it's a free app, and it makes it so we can not only record where we're driving, but also what the trail looks like, and the little points, the little blue dots on that are, if you click on them, there's a number, and then you can look in the Fun Treks book, the Moab book. And it will tell you details, and this is nice because it can also record your track, so you can see if you follow the track, you know, and if you left it, you can see where you left it, you can backtrack. And again, this is all free, and the GPX files that I download for the Fun Treks website are free too. You can pay for them if you buy the digital thing or something, and you get all the maps, but if you just want one, you can just go download it for free on the website on the trail page, and then you have an exact track to follow, and you can record your own track, and then I use that later and open it in Google Earth Pro on my computer at home, and then I can really see details about where we went, including elevation changes and everything. It's insanely detailed. Oh, and at the end of when you're recording, and again, this is a free app, so that's why I want people to know about it. You can go to the statistics and it will tell you everything that you need to know. How long you've been driving, how fast you've gone, everything, like bar graphs and charts about your speed over time and your distance over time, and it's very detailed, and it's free. It's called GeoTracker. So that's what we're always using. That's why we never get lost. Well, kinda.
Do you want to sponsor us, GeoTracker?
It's a free app. Well, there's a paid one.
We're on Bartlett Wash today. I think it's like 3D is like the main name for it. So Bartlett Wash, the pickle, and mashed potatoes. But if you haven't seen, it is raining, unfortunately.
Yeah,
so we're not going to do the pickle, not a lot of drone, but mashed potatoes is really cool scenic stuff. So I'm excited. It looks like mashed potatoes on the landscape. So let's see what we got.
viewers. We're here today on the trail.
It sounds like you're starting a prayer.
You are viewers and we love you. It was a song. We're on the trail and we love you, you're viewers.
I don't know where anyone in front or oh, there's people behind us. It's a cold day.
Hell out of me, I thought. Is that how it is in the car? So
Excuse me. So that's the gravy bowl. None of us are doing it. We watched an LJ on 30.
I think it's on 38s, or 37s or 38s. They were big tires. Huge LJ, really done up.
A couple years ago, and he had to get winched out of there. So.
And it's raining, and there's water in the bottom. Maybe if it were perfectly dry, I would go down there and try it because I can just get winched out, no problem, especially by all these big rigs with my light Jeep.
Yeah, but no one wants to winch in the rain.
I don't want to do anything except drive around and enjoy the scenery in this cold ass weather and rain.
The rain is coming in at me because we're parked this way. Kind of a show off, don't you think?
What?
Kind of a show off, don't you think?
Just normal Jeep guy parking. Oh, look at this one, Kim. It's on a rock too. I didn't even realize it.
I thought you did that on purpose.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Dang, I want to get some shots. I'm all flexed out.
Made it to the first Big Overlook. It's raining again, whatever. I don't care about no stinking rain. But it is a lovely overlook. So let's see. It's cold and windy, wet. It's very far my vlog too.
It's so windy.
Yeah. But good overlook, worth the stop. I never regret getting out even in the rain to look at a good overlook. It's definitely been a chilly day. It kind of stinks, but it's our last day here at camp, so not mad if we have to end up going home a little bit early. We always enjoy the drive together too. Take the dirt roads.
Yeah, we always take the slow way in the dirt roads. It's only like half an hour longer than taking the highway the entire time.
Yeah, and if we're already on a trip, why not enjoy the drive home? take the extra 30 minutes, plan for the extra 30 minutes.
Me, driving on the highway is misery, and no matter what car you're in, I just don't, it's just like...
Yeah, it's never as enjoyable as
there's
the
no
dirt scenic path.
Yeah,
Yep.
It's not, I don't know.
You can't just pull over and stop and eat when you want. You have to like get off.
Yeah, it's just kind of a fact. It's kind of a hustle.
So we learned for us a long time ago, plan for the trip, enjoy the drive, don't put tight time limits on it. I don't know. I mean, it's always
like
have a
yesterday
bit
morning,
better.
so that way we would have time to enjoy pulling into Moab at our own leisure. We left our house at 6 a.m. to get in Moab at 9:30.
Yeah, gave ourselves a ton of extra time, but we stopped and meandered and dilly-dallied and
Enjoyed it.
enjoyed the trip. And now I'm looking forward to the drive home because it's always a good time.
BSing with the boys. It's beautiful here. I love this kind of landscape. It really reminds me of southern Utah, like down like by St. George.
Even with the foggy weather, it looks great out here.
Yeah.
Hey, what's with that, man? That's horrible. See you guys. We're leaving.
Well, it's rainy and muddy. See you later.
Drive home safe.
Put that in here. Thank
Don't
you.
get muddy.
Yeah.
Told them to go down to the car wash to air up.
Here.
So we can air up out of the rain.
Oh, my feet are like 10 inches heavier. It's getting worse by the minute.
10 inches heavier?
It's a thing. 10 pounds heavier. Come on. Can I do it on the slider, you think?
No. Don't get your shoes muddy.
A little too late. All these people think they're so funny telling me to not get my shoes muddy. Come on here. You can hear it. Here's where we are. We're finishing up 3D in the rain. Hasn't been too bad.
Sorry.